Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow competitor speaking. Today, we'll be exploring the Gevo Inc. Symbol, Gevo, for those of you listening in. Pretty interesting stock we've been following. I want to show you all an ascending line and a few levels that I've been following. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see what we have. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button if any of the information that we go over is of useful, information for you. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 9th, 2021, and the current price of Gevo is going to be $8.04. It's up approximately 10.2% for the day. All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the lines. That's it, really simple. So these are the daily candles. Let's crank it up a bit to the maybe the 3-day candles. Actually, the weekly candles. Well, we're getting a 3-day close. So we'll stop back in on the 3-day and we'll look at the weekly here. So here's what I've been following. The range, for those of you who watched our previous video, the level to understand whether or not Gevo needed to stay above in order to reach, I think it was $24 level that we had, was $11.61, $11.63. If it were to stay above that level, it would have had a beautiful opportunity to continue to thrust and ease to the upside. But obviously, in hindsight here, the market has decided to correct below that green line. And of course, you see just below that green line, it went down to this ascending yellow line. This ascending yellow line is actually new, okay? It acted as support, which it appears that it has been compromised. Well, I mean, it's official, right? It has officially been compromised to the downside. The only trick is, will the market actually come back up to this yellow line and find resistance, which is currently at $8.88? Is that going to happen, right? Or is the market going to get back above that level within the next, let's call it 3 days up, 3 market days up to, let's just give it maybe 7 to 10, just 2 market weeks, so 10 market days. Because what happens is, I think we explained this a lot, guys. My new technical guys. I guess let me just kind of back out so you guys can see everything. So below the red line is currently at $4.90. In terms of what I understand, the market is in a very large range. But when you get a nice consolidation below that red line, I mean, whether it's a curvature formation or not, one way or the other, consolidating is going on below a specific level. If the price activity or the sellers cannot get back below this red line right here, again at about $4.80, then yeah, all of this will be locked off for the buyers, considered as all this. Let me just go ahead and put a rectangular area. Like all of this will be locked off for the buyers to protect this area and potentially even pick up more shares if it comes down to that level and just simply propel the price to the upside, because it appears that there has been a sufficient amount of consolidation below this red line here at, again, $4.80. So let me just go and do a really quick measurement. I don't think we did this on the last video. We're going to measure from June 25th, 2018, and we're going to crank it all the way over to the potential official breakout here at January the 11th, 2021. So it's going to do a really quick measurement of how much time it's spent. And of course, we look for a sufficient amount of time in order to legitimize, if that's the word to use, the consolidative range. Okay, so we're looking at 931 days. All right, I just measured it out there. I think that's a reasonable amount of time. It's not guaranteed that it'll never get back below this level here at about 480. I know, bulls. I'm just giving you the, the practical area that I can understand. Okay, but just be open to that, right? I mean, maybe it'll just present a better buying opportunity for you to accumulate. If you're long-term investing, this video isn't really for you. This is just my swing players, right? I mean, the video is for you as well. It just kind of gives you practical levels to understand what's going on in the market. I don't mean to say that to kind of be like, click off the video. We love to have you here. But here's where we are in the market right now. Okay, it's below this yellow ascending line here. It appears that it's losing the financial support that it acted as support here. These 2 touch points, if you see December the 14th, 2020 at about $1.80, and then again here at January the 11th, 2021 at about $4.40 right there. So that's what I'm seeing. I mean, I can't make this up. You can see the weekly candle is closed below. So again, let's give it 10 market days. The buyers need to really step in and push this price back above the yellow line. Again, the minimum, I'd like to see it really get a nice green candle above, let's just say $10.29. So if you see it, the market is above $10.29 before March the 15th, 2021. It's likely that the buyers are relentless and they're not ready to lose this financial support line. So basically to the end of this week. So March the 12th, 2021. If you see a close on this weekly candle up to and possibly through the $10.40 level, then it's likely that, again, the buyers they're not ready to let go of this financial support line just yet, okay, because this will be considered a fake out. Okay, it breaks down below that yellow line, and then the buyers are like, no, we're not ready to lose this line, and they just kind of get back above it and continue the trajectory to the upside. I can't really say it's trending up, right? It's just kind of blasting out of a consolidating range, speculatively breaking out of a consolidation range as long as it stays above $4.80. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing. But if it is officially getting broken down below this yellow ascending financial support line, then expect to see it within a very large range. Again, if it cannot get back above at least a minimum, I'd prefer to see 1020, yes. But if it cannot, like if you see the price at like $8.88, I think we already explained this, then it's likely just trying to find resistance at the previous level of support. Really simple, okay? $8 and let's just call it $9, okay, over the course of the next 3 days. So yeah, if we lose that line, then ladies and gentlemen, Gevo will be stuck within a very large range according to my technical understanding. $4.80 all the way up to $11.65. How long would it be stuck within that range? Again, this is pure speculation. It's not guaranteed it's actually going to be in that range, but I'd have to let the price action to kind of play out. Let's just remind me in the comment section to do an update. I guess the only real time you'll need an update is probably at least a week or two from this video. So yeah, I mean, if it's stuck within the range and it's just kind of, floating in the middle, I mean, there's nothing I can really say other than it's consolidating within a range to make its next move, right? To the downside or the upside. I know that's not really, I guess, the information that you want. Like you want me to say, yeah, it's going to blast off to the upside or it's going to go down below, but I need more price action right now. I need at least another week for me to determine anything. So hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That's going to end this segment of the Gevo stocks. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you found any valuable information in the content. Do the best I can, guys. Thank you for your time. Before you go, if you're new, we also cover the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. We cover that. Subscribe, hit the bell with us. We'll see you that information when it's available. I think we covered everything, guys. Hopefully you're doing well. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your predetermined strategies that you came up with before you hit that buy button. Okay? We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.